Morning traders. The 1st of December and November went out in a bang, and quite impressively and quite shockingly, we are up way above here. I spoke to you yesterday morning and I talked specifically about this location, and I think I gave you this number early, and that look for weakness and any opportunity for a long down here. Now, I don't expect anybody to get this. I mean, this was quite amazing and a little bit over the top. Um, the market's got what they already known. I'm just a little bit surprised by this reaction. It's almost like it just got carried away and it just became a one-sided event to the upside. And the fact that it literally got above the 200 and it's gone straight to this trend line, and this is a huge number up here. But you know, I'm not here to argue and to say otherwise. I'm trade the facts. So as long as the market stays above the two, that is going to be the key for this market going forward. Am I this bullish? No, but let them prove it to you. You know, there's a famous saying that the markets can remain irrational a lot more than we can stay solvent. So you know, play the facts. I mean, right now with yesterday's huge range, your pivots are extremely wide, and not many of them are even in play. In fact, the daily I think is showing them coming in right here just below the 200. So we're gonna just see how much more this exuberance kicks in, and you want to play the upside, but taking buys up in here is just a no-no. I mean, that's me. Trend traders are going to take advantage of every opportunity as it goes that way. I don't see it that way, but that's not how I trade. We'll look for weakness, and I think most traders should be looking for any extension of these rallies as it becomes about sustainability and getting up into these price levels. What's going to hold it? So you got to look for weaknesses up into these higher highs. If in fact we get there in the next 2 days, I just don't know how this is going to play out and whether or not there's going to be a reality check, and the markets will maybe punch through this trend line and maybe get people sucked in up here and then roll them back down and digest a little bit. But we're coming into December. December is a bullish month. So, how much more they want to take it, one can only wait and see. So, trade smart. Don't get too caught up in the hype. Find the best opportunities to grab a long position if that's what you were looking for. Obviously, that's what you want because that's where the trend is right now. But you want it in the right spots. That's about trading smart and trading with the higher probability. So that's my take on it. The 200 is definitely your key. Everybody's watching it. So, we'll see how well this thing holds up over the next few days and whether or not, this is going to be sustainable. That's the key word for this for the rest of the month, sustainability. So that's just a follow through on yesterday. Once again, this is the third time, by the way. Let me just show you this. That the market came to a critical point. I showed you this in past videos and got the rally. Just look at this bar. Same thing happened. They came right down to a key spot, and this was really early too. And then they rammed them all the way up, and then they did it again. I mean, these are really way overdone rallies. You can see each one's kind of peaked out and then it's kind of rolled over. So we're going to have to see if this one is going to hold and whether or not we're going to get the same type of reaction. I mean, overall, if you look at the chart in a bigger time frame, you can just see, and this is coming from 40. Oh God, my eyes are bad. From this, let's just say this high, all the way up here, and all of this action has bounced off of that trend line, and now we've gotten above the two, and you can see how it's played out. So we'll see whether or not it holds. So that's it. It's the 1st of December, and let's see what happens. Trade smart, trade with confidence, be patient. Have a great day. Take care, everybody.